Hi guys, in this video I am going to give you a glimpse of open source software. Open source software is a type of computer software in which source code is legally available to the end users. It doesn't mean that the executable software is given for free. However, it means the source code is available for free. To give you an example of this, I am choosing LibreOffice Impress, which is free and open source software. It means the software is given for free and of course the source code also. In order to show you the example of how to edit the source code, I am going to insert a shape. I have inserted a circle and now I am going to add one animation to this. In the entrance effects, I am choosing wheel. As you can see, the number of spokes here are shown as numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Instead of showing the spokes in the format of number, I am going to show you how to change the source code so that the number of spokes are shown in the format of words. That means in place of 1, I will show you ONE1. In place of 2, I will show you TWO2. For that, first I need to go to the place where I have installed the software. I have come to C drive. In program files, I have LibreOffice. Go to share, config, soffice.cfg, simpress, the presentation software of LibreOffice. In this, I have XML documents. Here I am going to open the effects XML document. By using Notepad++, you can use any text editor. In order to make any changes to the code here, I need to open this file using Notepad++ or any other text software in administrator mode. If you have observed, I didn't open this file as an administrator, which means I will not be able to save the file. I'll make a small change here and try to save it. It says this file cannot be saved and it may be protected. And do you want to launch the Notepad++ in administrator mode? I am clicking yes. Now I have opened this file in administrator mode, which means I will be able to save the changes that I make here. Let me search for the code that is related to the entrance wheel. And here I am going to type entrance. The effects are named here. The preset class is entrance and preset ID is entrance appear. As I have chosen entrance wheel, let me search for entrance wheel. Entrance-wheel. Yes, in line number 406, I have found this preset ID 000-entrance wheel. If you see this one, the preset subtype is equal to 1 and then the same entrance wheel ID is present for different subtypes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 8. I hope you are thinking it correctly. These are the numbers that are being displayed in number of spokes. Instead of keeping them as numbers, let me change it to words. Remember, we are changing the preset subtype for the preset ID of entrance wheel. I'll keep this 4 and 8 as it is and I'm saving it. Now I will go back to my LibreImpress. I need to close this file and open it again so that it will start loading from the edited XML file. So this is my file, edit source code. I am opening it again, inserting a shape. So I should have saved it previously, but I didn't save that. Clicking on circle, going into animations, add animation. In the entrance effects, I am choosing wheel. As you can see here now, the number of spokes are shown in the format of words 1, 2, 3. But we didn't change 4 and 8, so they are shown as it is. Let me choose this one and play. You can see there is 1 spike. There are 2 spikes, 3 spikes, 4 spikes. So the output is not going to change, only the display part is going to change. I hope you understood what is open source software and what does it mean by changing source code. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.